Good day everyone, this is our research entitled Project E-Bike, Enhancing and Breaking the Gap Through Intervention for Kids' Education and Reading. In line with the K-12 program, the goal of making every child should be a reader, the Department of Education is strengthening its reading program through the implementation of Early Language Literacy and Numeracy Program and Region 4A Calabarzon banner, Hamon Bawat Bata Bumabasa. With this, it is the goal of DepEd to improve the literacy skills of learners such as reading comprehension from grades 3 to 6 under frustration reading level. The following K-12 basic education curriculum to address the problem of lack of skills in reading comprehension, the Schools Division of Cavite Province implemented its Project E-Bike, enhancing and breaking the gap through intervention of kids' education in reading. The teacher's researcher will use Project E-Bike to enhance the students' reading comprehension and reading engagement. Thus, this action research will help address the lack of reading comprehension and engagement problems of students using twin text teaching to improve their performance in noting details of significant details of informational text. This study was conducted to assess the reading comprehension level of grade 3 to 6 pupils of Ternate Central Elementary School. Specifically, it attempts to answer the following questions. What is the reading comprehension level of the learners before the implementation of Project E-Bike, enhancing and breaking the gap through intervention for kids' education in reading? What is the reading comprehension level of the learners after the implementation of Project E-Bike, enhancing and breaking the gap through the intervention for kids' education in reading? And is there a significant differences on the reading comprehension level of learners before and after the implementation of Project E-Bike? The proposed innovation, intervention, and strategies. Project E-Bike aims to improve the reading level of the readers at risk in this new normal through reaching them using electronic bike on their places and providing them with appropriate intervention like 25+ week reading challenge. The participants of the study are 82 pupils of grades 3 to 6 learners of Ternate Central Elementary School, school year 2021-2022, who fall under frustration level in PhilErie pre-reading comprehension test. The researchers distributed the PhilErie pre-test materials from grades 3 to 6 students through their advisor. After that, they gathered the data. The researchers tabulated and processed the data for statistical analysis. Action research methods and strategies. PhilErie group screening tests will be administered to identify the reading comprehension level of the participants. Learners who fall under the frustration level will be identified and will undergo Project E-Bike, enhancing and breaking the gap through intervention for kids' education in reading. This research utilized the PhilErie pretest materials for grades 3 to 6 in evaluating the reading comprehension level of the respondents. The mechanics in regulating the PhilErie are taken after arranged to come up with accurate baseline information. The materials are outlined to measure the reading comprehension level of the respondents as independent, instructional, and frustration. The pretest materials is a reading passage from the Philippine Informal Reading Inventory Manual 2018. The researchers provide the reading materials that were distributed to all the grades 3 to 6 students. The researchers sought the permission of the school head and parents to obtain the grades 3 to 6 pupils' level of reading comprehension using the test questionnaire of this study.
This study will use descriptive statistics such as mean and standard deviation to analyze the test scores of the respondent. This will also use inferential statistics such as t-tests to pair samples to determine if there is a significant difference in the reading comprehension level of the learners before and after Project E-Bike of 82 grade 3 to 6 pupils.
The PhilErie oral test uses a predetermined set of criteria in identifying the reading levels of the respondents. These criteria include the percentage of word and recognition accuracy and the percentage of correct answer to comprehension question. To compute the respondents' comprehension level, the following formulas use Table of percentage for comprehension scores. Table 1 shows the results of respondent score from the given PhilErie test and post-test. Table 2 shows the result of respondents' reading comprehension level in their pre-implementation of Project E-Bike from 82 frustration readers turned out to be in 51% which is 42 persuasion readers, and were able to improve 26 instructional readers and 14 independent readers. And these are the references used in our study.